Here's a pair of the Sony earbuds, model number WF-C510. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect this directly to a Sony Smart TV. And this is the Sony Smart TV that has Google TV. First thing is go to settings on your Sony TV. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can go that way. If not, go to the home page, and then up there's the gear icon right up there on the home screen. So let me just go ahead and tap on the settings. And then from here, I'm going to go to settings right down there. From here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Go ahead and select that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down one to pair accessory. Let's go ahead and select that. Now searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So we got to hurry up and put these in pairing mode now, okay? So here's the case here, and if you look on the back here, you have this button here, okay? So what we want to do is have a blue blinking light here, blue, 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 which would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? So make sure the buds are in, open the case up, and down this button here, we're going to press and hold till we get the blue, blue. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding, wait for the blue, blue. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go back to the TV here. And let's see if it finds it. Sometimes if you take too long, we're going to have to go back and just redo the search or the scan again, okay? But it's still in pairing mode here. Okay, it just popped up the WF-C510 you see on the right here. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to go ahead and select that. It says pairing. Bluetooth pairing requests. Go ahead and select on pair. It says paired. It says switch already to WF-510. And there you go. We're all connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.